time, we always say outside, cheese, beans, Oh, Hannah. Mama.
What, Sweet Pea?
Jacob has.
Oh. Are you going to sit on your chair? Is that why you're doing that? More comfortable to read up on the chair, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's even better to read in the castle on Lammy. That's a good idea. Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Don't do that, Sadie, remember? It almost fell. Don't lean over.
Fall.
You don't want to fall. We don't want boo-boos.
Fall again.
No, we don't like to fall.
Fall.
Okay, I'm going to go make you some cookies. Love you.
Cookies.
Yeah, love you.
Cookies.
Give me a love you. Oh. Sadie, love you. Sadie. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I miss.
Sadie, bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye-bye.